The values of ideas lies in the using of it. With these quotes, let us enter into this presentation. We are participate in the Smart India Hackathon on 2022. Our team name is Storm Chasers and our PS code is SM963. We are commonly under the Smart Innovation, Robotic and Drones.
I'm Soundar Karthik, and my teammates are Rahul A, Priyadashni R, Indumati C, Vijayan, and Sanjay Kumar VS. And our technical mentor is Mr. E. Venugopal, and our innovation ambassador is Mr. S. Sheikh Amir Basha.
Next, we'll get head into a problem statement. Before seeing a problem statement, I just want to give a brief about how we are entered into a project. First, we have started to search about the missile related project, and after a long search, we got an problem statement that available in India. That is that a short range surface to surface shouldered fire missile has no guidance system in it, particularly these missiles that are manufactured in India that has no guidance system. Apart from India, there are many other countries where developed these shoulder to shoulder surface to surface missile with the guidance system in it, and we spend more amount around $3 billion for hiring these kind of missiles from other countries. And due to this, there is a lack of auto guidance and missing of target strike may occurs, and sometimes our own nation soldiers had got to attacked by the other soldiers, and missing of these target strike may lead to the injury of our own nation soldiers. To avoid this, we have proposed a solution of it. The gap analysis of this current solution is that there is, as I formally previously stated, that there is a lack of auto guidance system in it and missing of target strike due to that lack of auto guidance, and these missiles were not manufactured in India. This is the Times of India's novel, that is we spent around $3 million to buy these missiles from the Russia. So to avoid these much expense, we need to develop these kinds of missile in our solution.
So we aim to design a radio-guided command line site of shoulder-fired rocket propellant grenade to destroy short and medium-range missiles very accurately. So here we're using auto guidance with control mechanisms and infrared homing systems to destroy this target. So therefore we have the four parts. One is image sensing and processing unit. Here the image is sensed by the soldiers through the smart head mount device, that is SHMD, and after that the soldier can track and control the missile very easily. So also that we are using the active liquid matrix crystal which is on the soldier's helmet, which is used to soldiers to track and guide the missile. And next we have the warhead unit. In this warhead unit we have the explosive and the toxic materials that is delivered by a missile. And we have the propulsion unit. Thus, a missile produces a thrust to push the missile towards power. And we have the missile guidance unit. Here, the RF control signal from the soldiers guides the missile by changing the yaw and pitch uh, control to hit the target in a very accurate manner. And we have the uniqueness. It consists of a target tracking systems, and also we have missing strike to avoid the missing strike in surface to surface attack. And thus we are using the command line set of short range or shoulder missile, and the soldier can guide the missile even it is in a moving targets. And the dependencies of this Ashtra's part, we have the exhaust systems and the mechanical designs and the soldier guidance systems, and we have the communication systems that is of taking place through the active matrix crystals and of the smart head mount device. And at last we have the missile guidance is taken part by controlling the yaw and pitch control.
Next come to the prototype. This is the entire prototype of our missile. In this topmost part is image processing and sensing unit. Bottom warhead and bottom is a missile guidance system, and middle is warhead and propulsion unit. For arriving this project we have four phases. Phase 1 is a basic general missile structure designing, and phase 2 is prototype designing that we have already done. Now we are in phase 3, that is propulsion system. We are designing a propulsion unit of a missile, and phase 4 is auto guidance system, and image processing is used to capturing image and send that image to to soldiers for guiding and fixing the target accurately.
Our project is entirely dependent on the defense, auto guidance, missile system. It's a way of paying tribute to the Indian soldiers. It's a pleasure to be the part of this Smart India Hackathon. Thank you for your patience.